101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life in our last section for tonight. And I will go to Kak Nahwi. Okay, so Kak Nahwi, talking about smartphone, we all agree that that's the most distracting things in our life. So, in your point of view, how to keep positive in accessing phone?
Basically, there are a lot of ways to keep positive while using social media. I myself always follow like some accounts that contain positive things. For example, I always joined in English account. For example, something that related with English. Okay. And besides that, I also follow accounts that related with job vacancy, so I can keep update myself to the certain job vacancies provided by those accounts. And then the most important thing, especially as a human being, it's normal for us to fulfill our satisfaction, especially to have like sort of entertainment. Probably I suggest you to follow for me podcast or sort of like account that provides you knowledge but in a fun way. Yeah, in a creative way, so that it doesn't make you feel bored. So yeah, probably that's all.
Okay, thank you very much. And Achang, what about you?
So actually, what is the question?
I mean, how the way you keep positive accessing phone?
Yeah, same with Kak Nahwi. I think we have to follow the good things such as a lesson English or also job or perhaps scholarship or something like that. And sometimes if you need entertainment, because I love art, sometimes I watch dancing, singing, right?
Oh, okay.
TikTok, for example, right?
What kind of dancing is it?
I like Agnes Mo.
Okay.
Yeah, itu there is the have a value in art. Art.
You are into art.
Yeah, because I love art, right? So that's why it depends on you guys to handling yourself, because you have a self-control and anything you can access in social media. And if you wanna have a good things, let's follow a good things. You think that's all for me?
Okay, thank you very much. What about you, sister? How do you keep positive accessing your phone?
For me, I actually like to plan my day so that from morning to midnight, I have activities to do. So in certain time when I don't have any activity, I can control my screen time as well. So yeah, that's for me.
Oh, like time management, back again.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kak Brian, what about you, Kak? How do you stay positive, keep positive in accessing phone?
How I manage my positive with my phone? Because my hobby is playing game. So I play the game while I learning for that game. I mean, beside I make fun myself, and beside I educate myself for that game. So
how do you educate yourself by game?
I mean, most of the game is English version, right?
Oh, okay.
So we can learn with their conversation. We can we can write the new dictionary, that
vocabulary.
Yeah, vocabulary for that game. We we write it on our books and search and search in Google what does it mean.
Oh, yeah, okay. It's just like the way we accessing phone, like learning by fun way.
Yeah.
One of them is like playing game.
Playing game while
improving our vocabularies.
Improving our vocabulary.
Okay, thank you very much. And what about Richard? Okay, how do you keep positive in accessing your phone?
A new phone Sorry.
No, like when you access your phone, how do you keep positive in doing that?
Well, I guess I spend my times to play a phone, but if you say to keep positive, I guess it's not about positive, but it's the daily needs. Like I often spend my times on WhatsApp to texting my friends on the group or talking about what will happen, or when did you come to the community, or is there any plan for this week, like this? Yeah, I don't think so that I use it for watching movie or what, because I often spend my time in front of the monitor, like watching YouTube or movies or series using English subtitle, which could improve some of my knowledge about vocabulary.
Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you very much. And I will go for Kanahwi again. So Kanahwi, from all of this discussion, what is the conclusion that you can get?
Well,
Brief conclusion.
yeah, I will summarize. Yeah, by through our discussions, we have shared many things. Especially the most important thing that I got is that talking about the distraction itself. It's all about our self-control. So if we have a good self-control, we can solve those kind of distractions, so that by having a good control, we can solve problems or distractions that created by something or someone. So yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you very much. What about Achang? What is the conclusion that you can get after the discussion section
Yeah,
for today?
actually the conclusion is distraction. It's so bad for the for us, but yeah, we have to smart to handle it. This distraction, like doing another things if you feel distraction or something like that.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, our sister, what about you? What is the conclusion that you can get after this discussion section?
Okay, I think cell phone and internet become our primary needs nowadays.
Yes.
Yeah, so it depends on you. Either you wanna use the internet in a good way or a bad way. So, yeah.
Okay, Kak Brian.
So my conclusion for this topic is the main point is how do we manage our time, whether we have fun with our phone, whether we have to complete our duty. So it's all about time itself. How we control ourselves to do not daily to access mobile phone.
Okay, thank you very much. Richard, what about you? Conclusion.
Okay, my conclusion for this: try to control your desire. Like when you have a progress on your work, don't ever try to look at other don't looking for other distraction, like check your phone, because it will treat your it will intrigue with you. Like you will try to spend your time and you will forget your time when you are using mobile phone, right? Then I think it depends on some people, they need to control their self, especially the desire, because all of your problems is your desire, right?
Yes, exactly. Okay, thank you very much. So before we close the discussion section, perhaps all of you have new dictionary, new vocabularies or idioms for the smart listener. Okay, perhaps start from you, sister.
I got an idiom
Mm-hmm.
to put one's head down.
What
It
does it mean?
means to concentrate and to work hard on something.
Okay.
For example, I have to put down my head,
Mm-hmm.
put my head down, and finish my assignment to meet the deadline.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, Kak Nahwi, what about you, Kak?
Probably the simple one. Feel free. Feel free means that jangan sungkan-sungkan. Jangan bikin malu-malu gitu. Kalau in Makassar ya. For example, come on in. Feel free.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Achang.
Actually, I have a wise word here. Like the way to get started, start is to quit talking and begin doing.
Okay, what does it mean?
Salah satu cara untuk memulai itu,
Oh, it's like quote.
iya,
Oh, okay.
wise word.
Okay, wise word. Okay, Kak Brian, do you have any new word?
Maybe a dictionary
idioms?
of a vocabulary.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Is distracted. It means that it is the same means with the disturb. The same meaning of disturb.
The synonym.
The synonym
Okay.
of disturb.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, I have one idiom for you guys is drive to distraction. Nah, artinya itu kayak mencoba untuk membingungkan atau mengganggu seseorang sehingga membuat mereka menjadi tidak fokus. Nah,
Drive to distract.
drive to distraction.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so smart listener, those all conclude our discussion tonight. Thank you very much for watching and listening. So we'll back the next week with, of course, the new topic. So once again, thank you very much and bye bye.
Bye.